Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Alright everyone, here we are at Blizzard Beach. It's gonna be another hot day. It's gonna be a fun day to come to the water park. So, about to go on in and let's get started. So we're in. Look at all the fun slides and everything around this place and get started. Ooh, looks like over here they're doing some chalk artwork. Okay, good morning. Wow, getting started.
Hi. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Getting started, huh?
Just starting off the day with Google Bars.
Nice.
Can you tell who that's gonna be?
Honestly, not really.
Have you seen the Goofy movie?
Oh, Max.
Yeah, it's Max with this power line out.
Awesome. I'm gonna come back around when you get all done. Take a look.
All right.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Oh. They're already starting.
Cha-cha, real smooth.
Here's a map of the Blizzard Beach. All the fun and wow, that's looks like a big lazy river there. So we're gonna turn to the right and start. Take a walk around. Take a look at the place. Whoa, just got wet. This is the kids area. So we have the little ones. You can bring them here. They have their own little small water slides, pools, and everything. Oh, as you can see, there is part of the lazy river. Yes, I will be going on that. You can take this lift up. And that's very convenient if you're not afraid of heights. So yeah, we'll be going on these. This is my type of stuff right here. Like somebody's gonna come down. Oh, there he goes. 42 miles an hour he just slid. Somebody else is about to come down. Here he goes. I'm planning on flying on this thing. So the whole base or the theme of this water park is a ski resort melt down because the climate change and we started getting hot instead of cold and it melted this ski resort down, now became a water park. So over here is the wave pool, the main pool. As you can see, we got more seating over here. Joffrey's coffee if you want a coffee. Oh yeah, but so over here everything is marked where some of the slides are at. As you see, the green slopes are more the drop slides, and the purple slopes are more with the tube slides. Right over here, once again, there's another patio. People can sit down, chill, and that's the lazy river. You cannot enter the lazy river from the patio. So over here, it's an entrance to the lazy river. You get a chance to find yourself a raft, you can. Another racing. Oh yeah. Seems pretty cool. It's like a racing raft slide. Well, here is some of the other slides. As you can see, you got multiples. And here's the racer slide ones. It's pretty cool. So that was a quick walk around of the area. Now I'm gonna go find a locker and get my day started. Go on a few slides, go on the lazy river, and enjoy my day. All right, about to go ahead and get a new locker. All right, here we go. We're ready. We're about to head up the slope here. Let's not waste any time. Let's go do the big drop slides. Just get this day going. Yeah, I'm gonna be a little bit nervous, but I'm gonna get it done. Let's do it. So here we go. Oh, this is cool. Get to see a little bit of the sights. Here's a real good look of the slides. I'm not messing around. I'm going for the big one. Just gonna get it done. I might do all three, or how many are there? Two? I think there's two here, but if there's a third, I will go on it. But I'm planning on both of them, all of them. Well, there's a little look of the kiddie area, so the kids can go out and have their own fun. Well, about to go on up, almost there. Go on the big slide. There's your feet. Oh, this is awesome. Here we go. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I should just go ahead and get my day started on this one.
You're gonna cross your ankles. After you keep yourself blocked, you're just gonna look at it. Cross your arms. All right, you got the green light. Have a good one.
Well, here's a good look at the views. Oh, here's a look. See a little bit of everything. That slide is. I'm gonna do this one more time. Here's a look at the other side of Disney. You can see Summer Mount Everest. Pandora is over there. It's pretty cool. Pandora, right over there. Way over there. It's Galaxy's Edge. It's pretty cool. You get able to see a lot of things from up here. Alright.
Just go ahead and take a seat. Cross your ankles. Wait for the green light. You can see the wind back. Cross your arms up and push out.
Got it.
Hey, have a fun slide.
Thank you. All right, it's time. Oh yeah, the river, as you can see. I'm just gonna sit back, relax, get some sun, chill here, and until I get the birds together back on the next water slide or the tube slides. But I'm having a great time. It is warm out. It's like 85, possibly touching 90. But it's gonna be a nice one today. Well, we in Lazy River. If you guessed it, going in a cave somewhere. Here we go. We're about to get wet. Oh yeah. Out in the cave. Pretty cool in there. Well, if you want to get wet, that's the reason. And look at more slides, more tube slides. Well, we came back. As you can see, there is Matt's Goofy on the truck. It's pretty cool. Yeah, the guy did a good job. Awesome. The real Max Goofy. It's cool. Alright, we just got out the Lazy River, but now we're gonna get something to eat, relax for a little bit, and then get back on the slides. It's been already a fun day as it is, and it is warm out, but it's not like crazy even warm. It's perfect. Oh, I just can't wait to be down here permanently very, very soon. Alright, here we go. Got a tube. About to go on a tube slide. And gotta have a little bit of fun. Oh. Yeah, those steps sometimes. It's gonna be there. Oh. Okay, here we go. Oh God! What? Awesome. Well, this is gonna be the next one, next tube slide. Gonna be a little bit nervous on these. I had one small bad experience, and I haven't gone on to one of these in a while. So, yeah, to break out of it, I have to do this. I'm gonna do it. Oh my God. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. So I made it, and now I'm gonna get back on the Lazy River. Why not? Might as well. Be here for a while, then head to the pool. Hang on out soon. Yeah, like I said, I'm laying out this Lazy River. Yeah, get too comfortable. I'm taking a nap. Ah, so, on going to the end of the line, I guess. To look at some of the family raft rides. We'll wear the cool down. Ooh, I'm telling you, going to that cave was a little bit cold. Come back, get some heat. Warm up a little.
You want to get behind?
Thank you. Here we go. I'm about to get wet again. That's the fun, man. Ooh, it's cold. Yeah. Oh yeah. That water was cold. Ooh. Alright. Entering the wave pool. It's heated, nice and warm. Go as far out as much as I can. Yeah, it's nice. It feels alright. So, that's going to be it. We're going to head on out. And we're going to way out. I'm probably going to go on a shot or two before I get out of here. So, head on out. Let's go back to the locker. Alright. About to make my way out. Head to the car. Get back to my hotel room. Oh, what a fun day. Now, dry up, get change, and on to the next. Alright, just made it back to the car. What a fun day here at Blizzard Beach. Especially coming here, which I have more access to the slides than some of the other water parks that they have some strict rules of size for bigger people. But I'm glad that Disney see things a little bit different when it comes to the water parks. I had a lot of fun. I had a great time, and I hope maybe somebody could pass on some of these other water parks that look, just because we're bigger people, we should be able to manage to go on some of these slides. But after all that, it's going to be it for me. I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.